number 6. What's my number 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can put it on the floor. And I have a number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Would you like it? He likes mine. Yes, you're right. And I have a number 2. Well done. Who wants number 2? Can we give it to Nathan? And I have number 9. Who wants my number 9? What's that number 2? I have number 9. I'll put it on the floor. Very good. And I have 0. 0 is very important. Who wants 0? I can put it on the floor too. So let's count the numbers. 1, 2.